everybody, Shayla here. Today I'm going to teach you a bit about Google Docs, which is Google's kind of free alternative to Microsoft Word, which you can use with a Gmail account and a Google account. All right, so there's a couple different ways that you can open up Google Docs. You can click on a Google Doc, a document in your Drive. You can click New on your Drive and then click Google Docs, or you could go to the square of dots right here and scroll down a bit, and Docs is right there. So here's Google Docs. This is the main page. Down here, we've got some recent documents that we've been using. We can open up a new blank document, or we can open up one of these templates, which we've got resumes, letters, project proposals, reports, etc. So I'm just going to open up a blank document. So here is our blank Google document. So we've got a couple of different options up here. If you want to name the document, you can click up here and you can just type in a name. And you can star it here if it's something that is important and you need to find again. All right, so I've got some filler text. So now I'm going to show you how to adjust that. So I'm just going to highlight this top paragraph here. And over here we have styles. So we have a normal text, a title, subtitle, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3 style. So the title makes it big. Subtitle, heading 2. And if none of these you like, you can edit it a bit more here. There are a bunch of different fonts that you can choose from. So we're going to pick that one, and you can adjust the size of the font here. You can bold it, italicize it, underline it, change the color of the text, and you can highlight it like with a highlight color. Right here, you can select text, click this, and you can paste a link to make it a hyperlink. So when you click that, it will send you to a website. Here's where you can add comments. If you're sharing this with somebody and they can comment, they're probably going to leave some of those on it. You can insert pictures here, upload from your computer, your Drive, your photos, the URL, or you can, if you have a webcam, you can just take a picture. From here, you can change the alignment of the text. So there's left, center, right, justified. Here you can adjust the spacing. And here you can add a numbered list. So if you have that activated, and you can change how the numbers and letters are formatted to make like an outline. You can do a bulleted list. You can increase or decrease an indent, and you can also you can clear the formatting from here. Over here we can change the mode that we're interacting with this document. So there's editing, which is what we're doing now. Suggesting, so edits become suggestions, and just viewing. So viewing, you won't be able to do anything with. Suggestions will just, whatever you do to it, it will add a note. So those are good for if you're writing like an essay and you have a friend looking at it. It would be a good idea to have them be in suggestion mode. So they can't directly make any changes, but you can do that as well. Over here we have an outline, and so it's just going to, everywhere that looks like important, it'll put that there. You can close that if you don't need that. And over here we have undo, redo, print. You click that to print a spelling and grammar check. So once you're done writing, you can run that. The zoom, you can adjust the zoom there. You have some other options up here. We've got file, so we can share the file from here, as well as this button right here. Create a new document, open, make a copy, download. You can download it to your computer directly. You can email it as an attachment, make it available offline so you can access somewhere on your computer. Version history, like if you made a big edit and you want to go back, you can check that. Rename, move, so you can move it to like a different place in the drive, add a shortcut to the drive, trash it, check the details, language, page setup, and of course print at the bottom there. Undo, redo, you can control copy, paste, find and replace as well. So if you've been like, for example, you've been consistently using a word and you want it to be a different word, instead of going through and changing it all yourself, you can use find and replace. And that's pretty easy. You can do view here, insert, you can insert the image from here. You can insert a table like so, and you can add data in there. Horizontal line, like to separate things, footnotes, special characters, headers and footers, and page numbers. Page numbers can be important, a link. And you can also insert a table of contents. Format, this is format the text, line space, basically some of the things up here you can do with that. You can do a spelling and grammar check, a word count, compare documents, that's cool. So you can compare different documents on your Google Drive account to each other. There's a dictionary. You can link objects. You can also use voice typing if you would prefer to do that if you have a microphone. And you can get add-ons from Google if you need more features. So over here you can take a look at the comment history. So if you've got other people who have been commenting on it, you can take a look at that here. And over share, you can do, this is a similar thing to the Google Drive, in which you can type in emails to share with people, or you can get a link that you can send to people or just anyone. So that's about it for the brief look around for Google Documents. Pretty nifty. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, that it was helpful and informative for you guys. And if you have any questions, comment, text, email, or call us. And I will see you in the next video.